करके नहीं दिखाना चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं, मुझे
Okay, now we'll do Ustrasana. It looks like camel or camel bump. To do this exercise, we have to stand on our two knee, and then with our two hands we should touch our feet bottom and hold that position for minimum 30 seconds. So let's do that exercise. We should stand on our knee first, then we should keep our hand on our feet bottom and bend our head like this. This is Ustrasana. It eliminates constipation, it activates our nerves and muscles, it structures our chest, and it activates youngerness. Okay, thank you. We'll go for Vrikshasana. It looks like wide banyan tree. To do this exercise, we have to stand at first and we have to stand on our left foot. Then we have to keep our right foot on our left thigh, and we should bow our hands together and look forward. So let's start. This is my left foot. We have to keep our right foot on our left thigh like this and bow our two hands together. We have to hold this position for at least 30 seconds. So it increases our waist and core power, and it increases our foot balance. Okay, thank you. Now we will do Bhadrasana or Garaksasana. To do this exercise, इस एक्सरसाइज को करने के लिए हमारा जो पैर है, दोनों पैर को यहाँ बिल्कुल बीच में ऐसे रखना होगा, ऐसे ऐसे रखने में हमारा जो दो हाथ है और दो हाथ से घुटनों को टच करना पड़ेगा, या ऐसे, और हाथ को सीधा रखना होगा और पैर को भी घुटनों के लिए सीधा रखना होगा, और दोनों पैर हमारे शरीर के बिल्कुल नीचे, बिल्कुल बीच में होना चाहिए, सीधा, और हाथ भी सीधा, शरीर भी पूरा सीधा, सर भी सीधा, मस्तक, और हमारा नी जो पैर का पोजीशन है वो भी सीधा होना चाहिए, इस तरह। हमारे शरीर को 30 सेकंड, मिनिमम 30 सेकंड ऐसे रखना चाहिए। तो इसका बेनिफिट्स क्या है? इस एक्सरसाइज का बेनिफिट्स है, इट सर्कुलेट्स ब्लड्स वेरी फ्लुएंटली, इट एक्टिव्स आवर नर्वस सिस्टम और नर्व, एंड इट इंक्रीजेस आवर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम। ओके, थैंक यू। Okay, now we will do Bhujangasana. To do this exercise, we have to lie down upside down at first. Then, with the help of our two hands, we should lift our face and our neck to upside, and we should try to hold that position for 30 seconds. So let's see what is that position. Okay, students, so we should discuss now what is the benefits of this exercise. It flexibles our spines, it activates adrenaline hormones, and it circulates blood on spines and nerves, and it increases our hunger. Okay, thank you. We'll go for Gomukhasana. So to do this exercise, we have to put our right foot on our left foot like this. And on our back, we have to finger lock our two hands together. And we should hold our body for at least 30 seconds. So this is Gomukhasana. It eliminates insomnia and arthritis. It controls our physical excitements, and it decreases the chances of heart attack. Okay, thank you. Now we will do Trikonasana. What is Trikonasana? Trikonasana, it looks like triangle trapeze. So to do this exercise, we have to stand like triangle. So let's start. Okay. We have to stand like this. This minimum 2 or 3 feet gap. Then this is our left foot and this is our left hand. I will try to touch our left foot ankle with our left hand. Let's start. We should see towards our right hand. Okay, this is Trikonasana. It circulates blood in our spine. It increases flexibility of our core muscles, and it decreases the arthritis. Okay, thank you. I will going to show you Ardha Chandrasana. It looks like half moon. So to do this exercise, we should stand first straight, then uplift our two hands together, and we have to bend our two hand and our waist to our backward side. So let's try. we have to stand at first, then uplift our two hand, then we should bend our body to backward and try to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, so what is the benefits of this asana? It eliminates constipation, it activates our youngerness, and it activates our adrenal glands and kidney functions. Okay, thank you. Now we will do Singhasana. So to do this exercise, we have to sit at first on our two lower knee and these two toe, and we have to hold our two knee widely like this position. We have to widen our two leg and put our whole body weight on these two toe and this two knee, and we have to put our two hand on these our two knees and straight our body and open our tongue widely. Okay, we have to hold our body in this position for at least 30 seconds. What is the benefits of this exercise? It eliminates stammering, it harmonizes our voice tone, it increases listening power, and it eliminates tonsil. Okay, thank you. Good morning, students. Now I am going to show you Bakasana or stork position. So this position seems like a stork or a crane. So let's start. तो हम लोग पहले बैठेंगे इस तरह, जो हमारे पैर का दो उंगली है, पैर का जो मेन दो उंगली है उसके ऊपर पूरा शरीर का वेट रख के ऐसे ऐसे बैठेंगे। ये कोई भी शरीर का कोई भी पार्ट नीचे नहीं टच होना चाहिए, तो ऐसे हम लोग बैठेंगे। फिर क्या करेंगे, फिर हमारे जो दोनों हाथ हैं, दोनों हाथ को नीचे रखेंगे और दोनों पैर को सीधा लेफ्ट की तरफ और दाहिने तरफ पहले रखेंगे, फिर उसकी तरफ ऊपर उठाने का कोशिश करेंगे और पूरा शरीर का प्रेशर जो दबाव है वो हमारे सिर्फ दोनों उंगली पर रहेगा और दोनों हाथ के ऊपर रहेगा, और ट्राइसेप की यहाँ से थोड़ा पावर देना पड़ेगा और दोनों घुटनों और नी को ऊपर उठाना पड़ेगा, और हमारा जो मुंह है, जो हमारा फेस है वो ऊपर की तरफ होना चाहिए, और ऐसे जोर से सांस लेना है। वी हैव टू होल्ड आवर बॉडी फॉर एटलीस्ट 30 seconds. Okay, that's it. Now what is the advantages of this asana? It compacts our hand muscle or tricep, shoulder, abdomen. It increases our digestive power and it increases our flexibility of spine or core. Okay, thank you.